Ever heard someone say, just one sentence and suddenly you're hooked? Like your heart jumps, you lean in, you need to know more. That's not magic. It's not luck. It's not even love at first sight. It's psychology. And today I'm giving you the exact phrase that flips the desire switch in someone's brain. This isn't a corny pickup line. It's a scientifically backed trigger that works in DMs, dates, even business. It makes people feel like the most important person in the room. Use it right, and they'll be thinking about you long after the conversation ends. Use it wrong, it flops. So what's the phrase? We'll get to that. But first, let's talk about why this works. So here's the truth. People don't just want to be liked. They want to feel unique, rare, chosen, one in a million. And most conversations, they don't do that. Most compliments are bland. You're pretty, you're smart, nice outfit. Boring and forgettable. Now compare that to, you're not like anyone I've ever met. That hits different, right? Because it taps into two powerful psychological levers. Number one is scarcity. People want what's rare. If you're saying they're different, they feel rare. The second one is validation. Everyone wants to feel seen, accepted, and special. Put those together and you can make them smile. You make them crave more. This isn't theory. There's science behind it. A study from the University of California found that when people feel seen or validated, their brain releases dopamine. That's the pleasure chemical. The same one triggered by chocolate, music, and romantic attraction. So when you drop a line like, you feel different, you're lighting up their reward system. They don't just hear it, they feel it. All right, let's hit some real-life examples. On a first date, instead of, I like your smile, say, you have this calm energy I've never felt before. It's kinda rare. That says two things. Number one, I see something in you others don't. Number two is that thing is rare and valuable. In a flirty conversation, instead of, you're cute, try, I've been around a lot of people, but there's just something about you I can't figure out, and I like it. See the pattern? Every time you're noticing something subtle, making it feel rare, letting them feel chosen. That's the key. This isn't about flattery, it's about recognition. You can take it to another level by using proper timing. Drop the phrase after you've had a bit of conversation. Let it feel earned. If you say it in the first 20 seconds, it sounds fake. Say it 20 minutes in, it feels honest. Because here's another principle: contrast. When someone hears average stuff all day, something different stands out. Like hearing one quiet whisper in a room full of noise. It makes them lean in. Now let's flip it. How can you mess this up? Overusing it. Say it to everyone, and it means nothing. Real power comes from saying it once when it matters, not backing it up. You actually should listen to them. You have to notice the little things. You also have to be calm when most people panic. That's wild. Now the line feels earned, and it sticks. Don't deliver it like a line from a movie. Make it messy, real, like a thought you just noticed. Okay, this might sound weird, but you're not like most people I meet. That pause, that vulnerability, that's what makes it work. Back to the brain for a second. There's something called the pratfall effect. Psychologist Elliot Aronson found that people like others more when they show small flaws. So when you say something real like, I don't usually say this, but you feel different, you're tapping into that effect. You're showing humanity, not perfection. And people trust that, desire that. All right, let's give some examples with some fast-fire phrases you can use. For example, you make conversations feel easy. That doesn't happen often. Or, I've met a lot of people, but none like you. Maybe you have this calm chaos vibe I kinda love. Or even, you're a little unpredictable. It's kinda addictive. Each one taps into that unique blend of mystery, rarity, and recognition. It says, you're not just attractive, you're fascinating. They'll never forget it. This kinds of sentences will leave a lasting impression. I have created a complete PDF of this kinds of lines. You can download it from the description for free. To sum up the video, use emotionally loaded phrases that tap into a person's needs. Back it with the scarcity and validation principle. It's perfect for dates, DMs, or even in corporate life. Just don't overuse it. Make it real, earned, and honest. Thanks for watching.